Outshines the golden
Your
crown.
team is picking.
Huwag mo ka na mag-Granger, boy! Granger ka pa eh. Idol, gusto kita makalaro. Pa-share ng stream, guys. Salamat po. Zompay, salamat sa pag-follow ng page natin. Kay Hayan, salamat sa pag-heart react. Thank you po, boss. Thank you. Thank you, bossing. Thank you po. Salamat po. Idol, kaya mo si Misaki. Naglaban na kami, lads. Search nyo na lang sa TikTok, guys. 8 times na kami naglaban ni Misaki. At hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, ako palagi yung panalo. Nasa TikTok na hanapin mo na lang, King Peer versus Misaki.
Where is my target?
Benedetta.
When the body suffers,
Your
the
team
spirit
is picking.
blooms.
Parang magaling pa yung Benedetta, no? Salamat, Mac Ray. Thank you. Pala yun. Eh, King Peer yan. Di ba? Panalo ka pala, idol. Yes, yes. Natalia, nako. Patay itong Brody dito. Ngangal-ngalin to. Medyo malambot yung kalaban, no? Pero masakit naman kahit malambot. Salamat, Hayan. Ang galing mo talaga, Lods. Kuya, si Franca nakalaban mo na. Hindi, lugi siya, Lods. Tamos ako, tas, Franco. Malulugi siya, Lods. Shout kay Mac Ray, Will Jao, at kay Gian Andre, salamat, at kay Intoy. Salamat sa pag-heart react. Ang ganda ng bagong, revamp skin ni Claude. May ganyan na skin kasi di ko ginagamit si Claude eh. No chill. Naka-collector skin pa si Kupro. Sana all. Okay, let's go. Pangilang game na to? 1, 2, 3. Pangatlo. Pangatlong game na ba to? Idol, nakalaban mo na si Raichu. Opo, idol, galingan mo. Salamat, salamat. Kailangan natin ipanalo ito.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Gagi, may udit.
Smash them. All troops request backup. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Oh, yan. Dinili mo sarili mo. Very good, boss. Dahil dyan, sakang timang. Ang lupit, no? Dinili yung sarili. Ang galing. Missing third, missing.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by
Launch attack.
1,000 generations? Revenge has consumed me.
Launch attack.
Natatap daw, natatap.
Enemy has been
Sabi ni Idol, natatap. Si Nata nasa top. Tama naman. Kakat ka pa ng lane boy, Sige.
request backup.
Kat pa boy.
Earth is not ready.
My head hurts.
Request backup. On my way.
Light to darkness.
Echoes lang.
It's just a moment away.
Ahahaha. Ahahaha. Kawawa naman kayo mga botchog.
Request backup. Has slain the turtle. Launch attack.
Boom, kinaltukan sa mukha, boss.
Well played.
Kinaltukan sa mukha si Idol ko.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations?
Doon ako nalungkot, boss.
Request
Idol, kain tayo. Eat well, eat well.
An enemy has been
Panalo na to, boss. Panalo to. Sana di ma-late game, no?
My head hurts.
Battle spell in cooldown. Killing spree. Launch attack. Launch attack. Well played.
Sayang!
Empire
Sayang yun, boss! May audit kasi. Panira yung audit, no? Malapit ko na malapit ko na matap Metropolitan si Tamos, kaso
the world
hirap ako makisabayan kaya na to.
shrouded.
Sige, mamaya magtatapos ulit ako.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sayang yun, no? Hindi lang dumating si Odette.
Backup.
Yari na naman sa akin yung ano.
Gather at the turtle. Gather at the turtle.
The Empire can burn.
Gul. Pusang gala ka.
Request backup.
Woohoo!
On my way. Request backup. Unstoppable.
Has long
An enemy has been slain. Monster kill. Shut down.
Apollo Supreme Pro.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
my head.
An enemy has been slain. Good game. On my way.
Nakalaban niyo,
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000
Shoutout kay
generations?
Enrique, kay Leymao, kay Jik.
How can I go back?
Ult is ready. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Well played. Your team destroyed a turret.
History has long forgotten you. Light
Request backup.
is just a moment away.
Request initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Well played. Launch attack.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations?
Request backup. Ally has been slain.
Set ng set.
Revenge
An enemy has been slain. I'm
Ba't
ganking
may ulti,
top
may
lane.
set?
Good game.
Kaboy.
darkness.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Push first.
Idol, show ng 10 kills. 10 kills. Mahirap to. Atang kills ako.
You destroyed a turret.
to darkness. Just a moment away.
Killing spree. Well played.
History has long
Set tayo.
forgotten me.
Tap. Set tayo, Perd, ha?
Request backup. Ult is ready.
The world should be in darkness.
Mega kill. Request backup. Request backup. You destroyed a turret. Mega kill.
Revenge has consumed.
Request
Kaka-alert ko.
Gather at the
Sorry.
Lord.
well played. Well played. You destroyed a turret.
Gather at the Lord.
Initiate
Gather at the
retreat.
Lord.
On my way.
Light to
Gather at the
darkness
Lord.
is just a moment away.
Gather at the Lord.
Kailangan natin ma-perfect yung set na to.
Backup.
Head hurts.
Wait for me. Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Attack the Lord.
Lord na, bossing.
History has long forgotten me. How can I go?
Mega kill. Good game. Hold out. And wait for me. Down. Double
Kuha pa ng kalaban yung Lord. Nasa bot lane si Nolan, pre.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations?
Ay!
Can burn!
Walang nakakita. Walang nakakita. Kalma.
Head and go.
Multiplier yun, untog putik na yan. Untog pa talaga, bro.
request backup.
Flicker ulti yun eh. Nauntog ang putik.
Long forgotten.
Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed.
Feeling ko mag-GG pa kami dito. Hindi kami ano, hindi kami mag-iing.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Stole the blueprints
Enemy has
down
been
by
slain.
1,000 generations.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Should be in
Initiate retreat.
Nauntog ako, boss.
darkness.
Hindi ko nakita yung patir.
Double kill.
Lalim pala, ang taas pala ng bundok. Hindi narundog ni Trisla.
Well played.
Wala tuloy akong pang set.
Revenge has consumed me.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Ult is ready. Destroy the turret.
Away.
10 seconds.
An enemy has been slain.
12 seconds.
Well played.
11 seconds.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations? Long forgotten.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Should be enshrouded in darkness.
Initiate retreat.
Pangit ng mga ulti
Light
ko. Hindi ko sila
to
mahuli.
darkness.
Initiate retreat.
Nakaka-alert.
Gather at the Lord.
Attack the Lord. Launch attack. Attack the Lord.
The Empire can burn!
An enemy turret is under attack.
Nice! Buti nakuha! Okay lang, Kaport.
Enemy has been slain.
Buti nakuha nung ano, Cyclops pre. Pag wala yung Cyclops dun, kalaban na mapupunta yung ano. Buti may Cyclops dun, brother ko.
Well played. Initiate retreat.
Back na, ano? Top lane, pre.
Initiate retreat.
O, salamat sa ano sa pag-heart react, Kaport, Pandit, at kay Kurt Vincent. Thank you.
My head.
Initiate retreat.
Kulit mo si Brody.
Launch attack.
Sabing papatayin ka ng Natalia dyan.
Initiate retreat.
Okay ka na?
An enemy has been slain.
Wow.
Well played. Stop team destroyed a turret.
Ito bagyo. Wisit talaga tong blood na to. Okay.
Launch attack.
Ano yan?
Launch attack. Spree. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Light to darkness is just a moment away.
Hindi pa na-end. At kay Kaport from Sultan to the Rat.
The world should be
Hindi pa na-endable yun, boss.
Initiate retreat.
darkness.
Lord na lang. Lord na lang, boss.
Attack the Lord. Request backup.
Revenge
Request backup.
consumed me.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
You stole the blueprints passed
An
down by
enemy has been
1,000 generations.
Push first.
How
Launch
can I
attack.
go
Push first.
back? The Empire can burn!
Initiate retreat. Rampage. Initiate retreat.
Muna. Yung Nolan. Prayo mo, Lord Nolan.
Retreat from the Lord.
Puro ka kasi ano eh.
Revenge has consumed me.
Kung ano nung pinupuntahan mo eh.
You stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations. The world
Ulti na yun ha.
shrouded in darkness.
Request backup.
History has long forgotten.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Gather at the Lord.
Patay yung Nolan na naman. Baka makuha na naman ng Harit. Wala pang Harit.
Light
Launch attack. Request backup. Ally has been request backup. Request backup.
Ah.
Gather at the Lord.
Sakti na yan.
Slain Lord.
Daming sinayang. No, kanina dinag-lord. Ngayon,
Revenge
wala na naman.
has consumed me. How can I go back?
Request backup.
The world should be
Initiate
shrouded
retreat.
in darkness.
Initiate retreat. Slain. Initiate retreat.
Okay, ako mag-ano nito. Sili tong lord.
Request backup.
Light to darkness is just a moment away.
Request backup. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations?
Hello, Mick. Hello, Mike.
The world should be shrouded.
Initiate retreat.
Yun, nagkamali sila. Endable.
Attack.
Winnable card.
Ult is ready. Turret is
Revenge has consumed me.
killing spree. Launch attack.
How can I go back?
Nanalo pa? Oy, Mike Ahar, tsaka kay Ronald Tagel, kay Jessril Alejandro, salamat sa pag-share, pag-heart, pag-follow ng page natin. Isa pa. Kunti na lang, oh. Yeah. Ang dami. Tapos na sana yung kanina pa eh. Kunti lang ano. Shout kay Mike Salcedo. Tapos na sana yung kanina pa eh. Kung ano, nakapag-lord kami ng maaga. Kaso nga lang yung ano kasi, Nolan din nakikinig. Ayaw mag-lord pre. Nasa ibang ano, ibang lugar. Gohan Orcales Beleza. Ilan ka na po sa global? Philippines pa lang, Philippines. Road to global tayo. Number 69 Philippines. Konti na lang. Mag-global na tayo, boss. Just wait. Okay? Target lock, global, Tamus, bago mag-reset yung ano, yung MMR. Ay, yung ano, yung mga badge. Oy, Jezreel, salamat sa pag-follow. Gohan, salamat sa pag-heart react at pag-share. Jezreel, thank you so much, boss. Try mo, Badang. Ay, hindi ako nagbabadang, boss. Hindi ako sanay kay Badang. Pero nasubukan ko na rin siya dati. Kaso ano, lagi ako namamatay. Ang lambot kasi. Open mic. Naku, babae ito. Pero nag-zash siya, no?
Please ban a hero.
Shoutout kay John Cyril from Mindanao. Mindanao ba? Oh, baby, this time.
beginning.
Adult Peer, in-edit ko picture mo. Sana magustuhan mo. Sined po. Okay, Jake Carl. Check ko mamaya, Jake Carl. Salamat, Jake Carl. Zas. Sana di ibon si Zas, no? Gagi, ba't wala?
Your team is picking.
Zas.
Feed, destroy,
Enemy is picking.
conquer.
We destroy. Conquer. Uy, may Julian pala. Anak ng teting. Ah!
I am more than a weapon.
No! Anyway! Anyway, boss. Pusang gala!
Please pick a hero.
Ang iya naman talaga, bossing, oh.
Let my bullets be the nails in your coffin.
Benny yata tayo.
When the body suffers,
The enemy
the
is
spirit
picking.
blooms.
Sawa na ako mag-adjust. Pusang gano'n, napagod na mag-adjust si Idol. Sawa nakaka-adjust si Idol. Pwede na quit ML pag gano'n. Ay, pusang gulo.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Your
Kinuha
team is
yung
picking.
tamos ko, guys.
I am vengeance incarnate.
Nag-aaway pa yung kasama ko. 2 digits na lang, di pa mag-adjust. Uy! Grabe, trash to. Yung isa, di ko pa natapos
The
yung
enemy
mas
is
maganda eh.
picking.
Salamat, Jake Carl. Latay ko, Jake Carl. Nakapalit talaga.
For honor!
Trash token agad. Kaya nga, early game pa lang, trash token agad. Anong ginagawa sa mga nangaagaw ng hero? Dapat sa mga to, binibigyan, mga idol. Inagaw yung tamos ko, naka-stream snipe. Sabi ko na nga ba, ito na sinasabi ko eh. Pero hindi tayo papayag. Binedeta ko ang tatapat sa'yo, bossing. Grabe ka na, Nardo. Nangaagaw ka ng tamos. Hindi pwede yan. Patap global na ako eh. Inagaw pa yung tamos ko eh. Salamat ka. Sa solo gaming tayo nagkita. Pag sa 1v1 to, yari ka sa akin, boy. Naku. Grabe talaga, boss. Kinuha yung tamos natin, boss. Hindi tayo papayag sa ganyang gawain ng kalaban bossing ko. Bibigyan natin tong tamos na to. Anyway.
To Mobile Legends.
Anyway, boss. Okay, first item. Si Halberd agad. Pusang galang yan.
Smash them.
Talagang ginagalit tayo ng tamos na to eh.
Deployed.
Hindi pwede yan, bossing. Bigyan natin ng mabilisang to.
One day, the flowers will bloom again.
Request backup.
The darkness gathers as the light of day fades.
Nakuha niya pa rin.
Kings of the Demonian Empire know nothing of honesty. To the ones who live on the
Good
edge,
game.
every dawn is a new beginning.
Salamat, Jake Girl.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Manners? There's no place for manners in battle.
Gather up the hurdle. The enemy has slain the turtle. Let's dance with blades.
Wala, di pa ba't siya nagka-ulti? Ba't siya nagka-ulti dun, boss?
Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Ang malas naman.
Am I
Ba't
a
siya
demon
nagka-ulti
hunter
dun,
or a
bossing?
justice yard? Huh. Neither.
Parang hindi naman kapanipaniwala yung nangyaring yun, boss.
Manners? There's no place for manners in battle.
Paano siya nagka-ulti doon? Ang bilis naman!
Ally has
Level 3 pa lang eh.
The darkness gathers like the light of day.
shut down.
Daya ah. Parang nakatight tong Tamos na to ah. Mamaya, siguro.
One day, the flowers will bloom again in the barren lands. Every new day is worth celebrating in this cursed land.
Naglalag! Naglalag guys, naglalag. Naglalag. Grabe kasi napakalag ng panahon ngayon guys, no? Kasi
To the
umulan.
ones who live on the edge.
Umulan kasi kaya naglalag tayo guys, umulan. Umulan po. Hello, Ron Jericho. Grabe kasi